Here I have Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, then let's find and select the settings. From the following list of options, let's find and select wireless and networks. Here choose stretching and portable hotspot. Let's tap on portable Wi-Fi hotspot and let's enable this hotspot by using this switcher. And that's it, Huawei Mate 20 Lite hotspot is created. You can configure the hotspot by using these options, and you can here change the network name, the encryption type, the password. Right now you are using the following one. You can also choose show advanced options, and here you can select AP band, broadcast channel, max connection allowed, and mobile hotspot turn off time. If you change something, tap save. If not, choose cancel. As you can see, this is the hotspot icon. If you disable the hotspot, you will see that the icon disappear. So basically that's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.